Hello, my little French beans. How are you all doing today? Right, I'm just home. It's like just after 9. And this is a custom order for a guy that I met at the market. This is his birth year. And guess what he wants me to do with it? Yeah, he wants me to make him a ring. So, and he's got, what's he want? A size U. So I'm going to use a small punch. There you go. That's nicely in there. Right, let's go over. Some good old Big Bertha. Please don't run out of oil tonight, of all nights. She's dripping though. She's a bit damp on me. Yeah, right. Come on, Bertha, keep doing it. Get me through Christmas and I'll buy some new oil. Yeah. Okie dokie. That's good. How's everybody doing? Sorry about yesterday again. I just couldn't do it. I got home and had some beetroot soup. It's a Finnish thing. Beetroots and sausage, and quite nice though. Finnish food is a bit weird, I must admit. I still like me beans on toast. My girlfriend thinks it's disgusting. Beans. Finns don't like beans, but you can buy Heinz baked beans here. She thinks it's disgusting. I said, you don't know what you're missing, kid. It's the ultimate food. Right. I have no plastic tray for my Christy Burr droppings. So I stole it from my glass. You can probably hear the kiln clicking away now. Oh, God. Right. Oh, a bit more. A bit more. Bit for me. Bit for you. And a bit for the long-legged blonde next door. Not that there is a long-legged blonde next door. I've got a beautiful girlfriend, so I don't need her. Right. Let's get out Bernie. That's really low. Yeah, quite a good day there today. It's funny, the Finns start speaking in Finnish, obviously. And I say anteeksi, which is, excuse me. Do you speak English? They say, yeah. They say, how long have you lived there? I say, well, I've lived there 22 years. I says, but I was working there over 30 years ago. And they say, you should speak Finnish. I said, yeah. It's one of the hardest languages in the world, believe it or not. I think one of Mandarin is maybe the hardest. I mean, when I was doing the shipbuilding, French, German, Italian, yeah, okay, you can pick it up. But Finnish, Jesus wept, it's so difficult. Right, he wants a date on the sunny side of the ring, so let's put it in a 17-degree folding die. And this is Big Red. Right, and he wants a size U. Ooh la la, chica bonita. So we just want to clean up the edge a bit. Sandpaper? No. nail files. Yes, I have a nail file. Just want to make sure there's no splits, stuff like that. Don't forget, I'll be doing that draw on Sunday. I think it was Sunday, for that free ring giveaway. I mean, you're in with a good chance. There's not many people commented, so. Okay, folks, there you go. Let's get a nice. Let's go mad and break out a clean, full sheet. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I hit the camera and it went a bit sad on me. So, we're back. Hopefully. And he wants a wide band, that's why I used a small punch. Small punch, wider band, because you've got a smaller hole. You're not taking out so much metal. Right, what we're doing, size U. That's UK size, isn't it? No, it's not. Yes, it is. Where the hell's U, for Christ's sake? It's one of them days again, folks. Jesus, what U's down there? Okay. So he's got bigger fingers than I thought. Oh, size U. Jesus wept. Okay, we're getting there. I think I showed a bit more love with old Bernie. Where did I put my lighter? Oh my God. Right, okay. How about there? How about there instead? Get it in shot, for God's sake, boy. You idiots. Come on. I don't want to hit my ring stretcher. I don't want my ring stretcher getting too hot. That's the last thing I want. Right, okay. Let's give it some more. Oh, Santa, what are you doing? Santa's falling over. We are now at a T nearly. Bit more. Bit more, bit more. You always measure from the reeded side of the coin. STU, when I've got a bit more. Because then you have to make it smaller by straightening the walls, makes the ring a bit smaller, so. You know the score by now. Hardcore. I said he could pick it up Friday because I'll clear code it for him tonight as well. And you can come and get it Friday. There you go. Right, let's go down to the bottom end of spike. So my girlfriend's going to have to do a bit of editing because I cocked the video up a bit, but you know. Hey, we can't all be perfect, you know. I'm not far from perfect. She would agree with you on that one, but get this nice square in a round hole. bad what we got size-wise. It's a little bit of a ridge. That might help it get to a U. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, I've got another finished coin I think I'm going to have to make tomorrow. It's a heart. This girl wants a coin heart for her boyfriend, which I thought was very romantic. Sorry, I'm going off screen again. Bit more. So you always have to go over the size, 1 or 2 sizes bigger, because when you reduce it, you're making the ring smaller. If you get my drift. Took me a while to get used to doing that. This Scottish guy wants me to make a ring for his wife, but she's got tiny fingers. I think he wants me to make a size M. He's on about a peso coin, but they're quite big, you know. Big and beautiful, baby. If you have just recently subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, well, hit that bloody button there. Come on, sort yourselves out. Stop mucking around. Right, what size was it? U. I hope I've got this right. U. ST. You see, it's made it quite a bit bigger, so I've got to reduce it a little bit more. How is it for? Ain't bloody far off, is it really? There's a little bit there. I've got to touch it. What we got now? No, a bit more. Perhaps I didn't move it much. Thing with this slightest bit of pressure, you can do so much more damage than you want to. Not damage, but you know. Then you've got to start going the other way, and look at that. I'd say that's a size U. What do you think? You. Well, let's break out Dave and Kate Bush. Oh shit, it's not plugged in. It's like a power station in here, believe it or not. And I'm an electrician. One thing you shouldn't have is adapters in adapters in adapters. And what am I doing? Yeah, adapters in adapters in adapters. But I'm an electrician. I should know better. So tomorrow morning I've got to get up early. I'm going to make some more glass earrings. Then I've got to jump in the car and pick up some stuff DHL couldn't deliver. They left it in one of them boxes, you know, that you have to go and pick up. Bloody crap, man. They pay all this money for delivery and they don't deliver it. They stick it in a box about 10 miles away. You know, thanks a lot. Yeah, I'll clear coat this after. Let's just check that again. You. This is where the camera got in for me. Oh shit, man, what's going on here? Now, it's it's got bigger. Jesus, wept. No, it hasn't. That's you. I was looking at that line. Stupid boy. Yeah, that's a you, isn't it? Jesus wept. Right, folks. And that was the Edwin look, by the way. He wanted the date. Has he got the date? Yeah, he's got the date. Okay, dudes and dudesses. Thanks for watching. And that's why you use the kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose any of the detail. Not that there's a lot of detail on these finished marker. On the inside it says, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And on this side it says, hit the like button 988 times. 1988 times. So, what am I bloody talking about? For God's sake, sort yourself out, boy. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and yeah, I'll be doing a video tomorrow because I've got to make this bloody heart. So don't break my heart. Have a good day. Take it easy. Tell me bye-bye. Love ya.